Today, I'm taking on a unique challenge, cleaning my door and using powerful Buddhist principles to attract abundance in 2024. Can you really manifest wealth by doing something this simple? We've all heard the phrase, cleanliness is next to godliness. But have you ever stopped to think about the connection between a clean environment and abundance? In Buddhism, it's believed that our physical surroundings deeply affect our mental and emotional well-being. And when it comes to attracting wealth and prosperity, creating an environment that invites positivity is key. I'm excited to explore how Buddhist teachings like mindfulness, generosity, and gratitude can help us manifest abundance. You might be thinking, can cleaning my door really change my financial situation? Well, let's find out together. So many of us wrestle with attracting wealth. It's not that we don't want abundance. It's that we're unknowingly holding on to negative energy and clutter, both physically and emotionally. Think about it. Have you ever been stuck in a scarcity mindset, constantly feeling like there's never enough, and wondering why success seems out of reach? You're not alone. What if I told you that the solution is simpler than you think? We've been conditioned to believe that abundance is about accumulating more, but true abundance isn't about having more stuff. It's about creating space for positivity and prosperity to flow into our lives. When we're surrounded by clutter, we're actually repelling the very abundance we seek. Think back to the last time you felt truly abundant and prosperous. Was it when your space was cluttered with mess and chaos? Or when you felt calm, centered, and in control? It's likely the latter. Our environment shapes our mindset, and if we're living in disarray, we're reinforcing scarcity and lack. So how do we break free from this cycle of negativity and begin to attract abundance? It starts with recognizing the habits that are holding us back. Maybe you're constantly saying yes when you really mean no. Perhaps you're holding on to old grudges or harmful self-talk that's draining your energy. These patterns affect not just our mental clarity, but the energy in our homes as well. Clutter isn't just about the stuff lying around your house. It's the mental and emotional baggage we carry every day. By clearing out the physical and emotional clutter, we open space for abundance to flow in. And that's where Buddhist principles come into play. In Buddhism, generosity is all about cultivating an attitude of abundance. When we give freely, whether it's our time, love, or resources, we signal to the universe that we trust in the continuous flow of abundance. It's not just about giving money or material goods. It's about being open to the idea that there's always enough to go around. Mindfulness is another key principle. It's about being present and aware in each moment, rather than being bogged down by worries about the future or regrets about the past. When you're mindful, you can make space for abundance to enter. Gratitude is a game changer. When you focus on what you already have, you naturally attract more of it. The energy of gratitude is like a magnet for abundance. And let's not forget compassion towards ourselves and others. When we approach life with kindness, we create a welcoming environment for prosperity. These principles aren't just lofty ideas. They're actionable tools we can use to shift our mindset and attract abundance. So, how do we apply these Buddhist principles to our physical space? Specifically, how does cleaning your front door play into all of this? Our front door is more than just the entrance to our home. It's a symbolic threshold. It sets the tone for everything that happens inside. Cleaning your door is a physical and symbolic act of clearing the way for abundance and positivity to flow into your life. It's a powerful, intentional act and it's something anyone can do in just a few simple steps. Imagine walking through your front door, feeling a sense of calm and clarity, knowing that abundance is flowing through your space. That's the goal, creating a physical space that reflects your inner state of peace and prosperity. Start by cleaning your door with a simple mixture of salt water. This is more than just scrubbing away dirt. In Buddhism, salt is known for its purifying properties. As you clean, visualize your door as a portal, opening to new opportunities and prosperity. Affirmations like, "My home is a haven of abundance," strengthen this intention. But why stop at just the physical door? Consider the energy of your whole home. When we clear out clutter and create space for positivity, we're signaling to the universe that we are ready to receive. A clean and organized environment makes way for a more focused, calm, and prosperous life. The physical act of cleaning aligns with the mental act of letting go of scarcity, negativity, and clutter. This is where abundance flows in. So how does generosity, mindfulness, gratitude, and compassion play out in this practice? As you clean your door, practice mindfulness. Be fully present in the moment. Let go of any distractions, and focus on the act of cleaning as a way to clear not just physical space, but mental space as well. Incorporate gratitude by appreciating the opportunity to create a positive environment for yourself and your loved ones.